Divide 558 by 3 in long division method. 3 times 1 is 3. On subtracting we get 2. So now we put down this 5 and it is 25. So 3 times 8 is 24. On subtracting we get 1. So again we put down this 8 and it is 18. So 3 times 6 is 18. On subtracting we get 0. So 558 divided by 3 is 186. So this much for today and thanks for watching.